Morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first open the settings, then find and select home screen and style, and now just pick wallpaper right here. Let me just give all needed permissions. And now let's go back here. So wallpapers again. And now pick the photo that you wish to cover your screen with. You can explore more photos by tapping on more. You can pick one from your own photos by tapping on gallery. I'll go with one from these. You can customize it then, but let me take a look at, for example, this one. Okay, so let's stick with this one. Tap on apply, and now decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. I want to pick this third option, so both. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. So as you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.